Good afternoon, my name is Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this very nice 1982 Chevrolet El Camino. What you need to know about this El Camino is it's been totally redone with a late model crate motor in it, four-wheel disc brakes, vintage air and heat. Really well done. I'll pop the hood. Really nicely done. This is a crate motor Chevrolet with Edelbrock fuel injection. Fuel injection is definitely the way to go. Has four-wheel disc brakes. See, it has looks like a Willwood. Has a modern booster, powder-coated headers, serpentine belt. Really nicely done. Huge radiator here. I mean, that thing is humongous. Dual thermostat controlled fans, cruise control. Really nice, well done, tidy. Very nice. Now this car comes with a clean Arizona title. Because of the crate motor, it can't be smogged in California, so it has to be registered somewhere else other than California. So it's from Arizona, where there's no issue using a crate motor without all the original emissions. In order for it to be California smog compliant, it has to have all the original smog stuff. So this has all electronic dash, push button start. Gotta push the key fob. Twice. Really nice. Has this little thing which tells you, tuning, your fuel injection tuning. It's tilt wheel. Air conditioning works really nice. Has a late model Kenwood sound system. Has Bluetooth, power steering, power disc brakes, B&M shifter. Really nicely done. The seats, I believe, are 6-way power seats. Very nice also. These are brand new seats, brand new leather seats. It has about 5,500 miles on the build. That's 5,500 miles on the engine, transmission, everything. They put in new carpets, new headliner. So we're gonna go for a little drive here. It drives out, you know, perfect. Goes down the road absolutely perfect. Solid as a rock. I'll put the window up so it's a little less noisy. But it drives out great. Stops nice and straight. Go a quick U-ey here. Good power, not crazy, nice smooth shifts. Really comfortable. Feels very solid. Feels like almost a new car. I mean, it is absolutely solid. Yeah, I am way impressed. Air conditioning works great. Blows cold. Four-wheel disc brakes. Put this thing on its chin. Has tons of stopping power. And I really like the wheel and tire package on this. It's attractive. It adds to it. Turn signals work. Lights work. Very comfortable car. So the B&M, you got to pull this little tab up. Very nice. Dual mirrors. Gotta use my right hand. All right. Really like these seats. Super comfortable seats. So let's review what we got here. 1982 Chevrolet El Camino. New powertrain, basically. Crate motor with 5,500 miles since being done. Four-wheel disc brakes. Air conditioning, heat. It's sold with a clean Arizona title. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.